Hello everyone, this is February 2025 Patreon Part 6. I'll be looking at D&D, Warhammer proxies and figures for your STL printing needs. All the link for these will be down below for you guys as well. Subscribe, like, and share if you do enjoy it. Let's get started. So Avatar of War, Legendary Heroes. This is a Warhammer proxy. I think we're getting more Chaos Beasts and Goblins for it. So we got some Chaos Beasts for your games. Oh, these are pretty cool looking too. Yeah, you can't have enough Chaos Beasts. Last call battles for the orcs. And then this is a one of the demon for chaos. This I think is a bloodthirster. So it's loyalty rewards. This is February discount the undead orcs. I love having undead orcs, especially for D&D. G Sculpt Art, another figure one as well. And we have Madame A release. I think that will be it for this month for February. January 20th, Madame A release. Happy New Year's. I think that's we don't have February yet. I think that's January. So we'll see later on. But Drunken Dwarf still not on pause. Yep, still on pause. 3D printed Forge. If you're into World of Warcraft and want them minis for yourself, this is pretty good for it. And I'm thinking we're getting humans for it. So we have Jaina. Let's see here. Spellcasters. We have not Arthas. I forgot that prince name that just became king too. Forgot his name. I haven't played the new World of Warcraft yet. I haven't played World of Warcraft in such a long goddamn time. But you know, if you're into World of Warcraft and want that World of Warcraft style setting to play with, this is probably it for you guys. And you're at your warlock. Looks like a warlock robe. You got different heads you can put in, head swaps. Fighter. Maybe I have, looks like, I think that's a hunter model. Another wizard. Eider. So a lot more stuff if you're interested in that. Hell Crater, figure one as well. And for this, it'll be this. No, that'll be better if I just do this. This is for Monta Hunter Wild. I think she was used to be in the other one as well. This is the second one. I have no idea who that. I think this is Hades, right? Well, yeah, Hades, Elysium from Hades. This is the first one for Arcane from Jace. I haven't watched animation for that, but this is this month. So I'm looking forward to the new Doom guy for the new game that's coming. I'm waiting for this model. I might print it and paint it myself. Blue Sky Minis. This is another Warhammer proxy for 40k. They do majority orcs that I known so far. That's not new. It's January sent out, but give you an idea what it looks like. I don't think the February one came out yet. Penske Homes. This could be a proxy or your other wargaming needs, or for your D&D. Mostly like aliens, Terminators, other like sci-fi cool looking crap. So we got I think like a Necromorphs. I think this is Cthulhu ones as well. We got some Marines, Predator, Alien coming in. Show more. So we got the Voidless Squid, Welcome Pack, Cyberpunk. Looks like we got Hellboy and some other anime characters that I don't really remember as much. But anyhow, yeah, check them out. Dragon pinups. This is more like for loot stuff. If you're interested in it. Let's see here. This is the preview. This is for Monster Mucine, Squen, and I don't know which bunny pinup was this supposed to be. So if you're interested, go for it. Cyber Forge miniature. They have one portion of it, Warhammer Proxy, and they got the sci-fi and terrain. So we got some Custodes. We're getting Custodes, and here's your Cyberpunk and your terrains as well. So I'm happy we're getting Custodes. They're really expensive too. So yeah, just Custodes. They're very good. Majority of them are just gonna be gold for it in many ways. Yeah, these are Custodes. Those are cyberpunk stuff as well. That'd be kind of cool to have. Myth Bowl RN Studio. This is for Blood Bowl. If you do like Blood Bowl and play Blood Bowl, this might be a good proxy for you guys as well. Let's see here. Looks like Undead. This is last. This is last one. This is the Harley Quinns for Blood Bowl. If you're interested. Flesh of God. This is a very grim, dark style D&D, like Elden Ring and Dark Souls style for it. But they're actually really good, beautiful prints. I actually printed a couple of them from them as well. So this is huge gargantuan. So we have a obsidian dragon, infernal sacrificer. We got medium enemies, giant flaming skulls, cinder gargoyle, got flame priest, infernal choir, cinder ashpiha, smoldering revenant, bone claw for medium, large enemies, flame warden, obsidian reaper, magma troll. That's actually be kind of quite cool if we can do the magma effect on the crystals itself. Heroes and NPC. Got some Strider, Gunslinger, Paladin, Artificer, and a Gladiator. And your bust, and your stats block, and your throwbacks as well. Solden Publishing, they do pretty good stuff, especially for Spelljammer style type of gaming. If you do Spelljammer, this might be it. So let's see here. World of Sword Cupid Embrace. See if we can get some stuff. So we have Fey Wild style, looks like it. And you know, mushroom people. Looks like it's growing on their heads. Monsters. They're pretty cool. I want to see what ship is it this year. This is from the Curse Lover Bad Guys. They might be looking at. But yeah, you usually do have a ship. Looks like they didn't show the ship today. It's the same thing. Gamescape, another terrain piece, very cheap. I think it's like $5 to get like a big ticket stuff for terrain. A lot of stuff. This is pretty from March. A lot of stuff is filament printed. Just letting you guys know. You know, a big filament like printer like I do. This might be good for you guys to do. So it looks like we have towers, embracing, and so forth. Oh, that's pretty damn cool. Open it up. Yeah. Yeah. I'm starting to get more filaments now, and ain't cheap in many ways. Wicked. This is a Marvel figure. I know they've released anything out for February. This is January. Cloak and Dagger, portrait and stuff. I'm still waiting for Onslaught to come in. Still have nothing for February, but keep an eye out for it. It might come out sooner than later. Glad, another D&D figure as well. It's probably the last video for this one. So we got some Rat Folk or Skaven. You have a Mad Doctor as well. You might use it for proxy for 40k. But anyhow, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our page in Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.